Question 6. A box contained some yellow cubes and 72 blue cubes. 40% of the cubes were yellow. After some red cubes were added to the box, 32% of the cubes were yellow. How many red cubes were there? Alright. So first thing first, we know that 40% of the cubes were yellow, which means yellow at first is 40%. Then after that, we will just calculate blue at first. It will be 60%. We also know that blue at first, in this case, from the question, is 72 cubes. So that means blue at first is actually 72. Then after that, we will, since the blue percentage and the blue at first are the same, that means 60% at first is 72. So we want to calculate the yellow as well, which is 40%, and that will be 72 divided by 60 times 40, which is 48. Then on the next statement, after some cubes were added into the box, 32% of cubes were yellow. So from there, we actually need to know what is the percentage of red cubes in the end to get the number of red cubes. So from here, we know that from this statement, 48 cubes is yellow is equal to 32% in the end. Then we also want to get the percentage, or sorry, for the red cube in the end as well in terms of percentage. So that means the percentage in a red cubes in the end is basically 100% minus 48%, which is the, not red, this is blue, and minus the yellow, which is 32, and this will give us 20%. Since we know that 32% in the end is yellow, which is 48, then 20% in the end red, it's basically 48 divided by 32 times 20, which is equal to 30 red cube. There you go. So that's the answer, 30.